So what are some indications for changing your hydration? So you can see here on the right-hand side, I made a really great seeded loaf of sourdough, but it is pretty flat. And I wasn't sure at the time what I was doing wrong. And now in retrospect, I realized it was over fermented because it was too high of a hydration. So if your dough is sticky, wet, and impossible to shape, or if your dough spreads out like a pancake after you pour it, you dump it out of the banneton, you need to decrease your hydration because it's just over fermented, plain and simple. And if your bread is dense with a tight crumb, you can increase hydration. So you see on mine, the bread's pretty dense, it has a tight crumb. I actually like it that way. If you don't, you can increase your hydration, but I like that tighter crumb because I personally don't like the condiments falling out of my bread. You know, I like to eat bread and not holes of air. So that's just my preference. So I actually was happy with that crumb, but again, the rise wasn't what I wanted.